Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money doing arbitrage without using your card. As we all know that using card in Nigeria, it's becoming difficult. Cards are not even working on exchanges anymore. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do what is called currency arbitrage. But before I go on, I would like to say that information provided in this video should not be taken as a financial or legal advice. I would encourage you to make more research and do what is right, because I'll be responsible for my profit and loss, and you should also be ready to take responsibility for your profit and loss. So with that said, I am going to show you how you can do currency arbitrage. Now, we will be using USD to buy GBP, and then we'll be selling for profit. So this is a great way to make money without having to use your credit card. Now we'll be exploring three ways in which you can sell this for profit. We'll be exploring three ways that you can use to sell this currency for profit. So I would like you to stay to the end of this video and like and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified as soon as I drop new content. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, then this video is for you. So if you have any question or any comment, please feel free to ask me or leave the comment in the comment section below. So like I said, we will be using USD or USDT. We'll be buying it in the current market price, which is around 728, 729, and then we'll be selling it for profit around maybe 776 and above. Now, what we are going to do is that we go to P2P. For example, you can buy from Binance because we are going to send to another exchange. So you come here. Right now it's being sold for around 729 on Binance. So you can buy USDT from here, and then we are going to be sending that USDT to Bybit. So we are going to explore the Bybit P2P and use it to make more money by using your USDT to buy GBP. Now let's go to Bybit platform. Now this is Bybit. Bybit is just like Binance. It's a very known exchange, and one reason I love using Bybit is because the trading fee is lower compared to Binance. And apart from that, you can trade more features on Bybit than Binance. So Bybit is a very good exchange, and I'll be exploring Bybit. We'll be using it to make money or profit from their P2P. So if you don't have a Bybit account, I will leave a link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to create an account. If you create an account and then you deposited 20 USDT, you are also going to get 20 USDT. If you use my link to create an account, you're going to get that 20 USDT. So after creating an account, to make sure you verify your account, then what you're going to do is that you scroll down and we come to this place that shows P2P and click on it. Sometimes you may not see it here. You will need to come to buy deposit here or buy crypto. You need to come to buy crypto here, and then when you click on buy crypto, it's going to show you P2P as an option. As you can see here, you have P2P as an option. It says over 30 fiat currencies and 300 plus payments. So Bybit is also a very big exchange. So what we're going to do is that you click on P2P trading. So when you click on P2P trading, then it's going to take you to their P2P interface, and these are people that are buying and selling, and you can also buy from them. Now we are not going to use this NGN because we are going to use another currency, but here as well you can buy USDT here the way we used to buy from Binance. You can also buy USDT from any of these merchants, so you can buy USDT from them. So what we're going to do is we'll assume that we have bought our USDT. So after buying USDT, we are going to now change this to GBP. We change this to GBP. As you can see, this is a GBP merchant. So what we are going to do is that we will be selling GBP to these people using our Wise account. If you don't have a Wise account, I will leave a link in the description of this video so that you're able to create an account. In Wise account, you'll be giving Euro account, you'll be giving your GBP account, you'll be giving Euro account, you'll be giving USD account. So now we are going to be making use of Wise to sell our USDT to people buying GBP, and then we'll be receiving GBP into our Wise account. If you don't have a Wise account, you can also use Gray.co, or you use GigPay Africa, or you use Payoneer. All of these accounts that I mentioned now, you'll be able to have access to a GBP account where you can receive money. Anybody sending GBP to your account, you'll be able to receive it and then convert it for profit. Now, what we are going to be doing is that we're going to create an ad on this page that we want to sell our USDT. So you come to this plus sign here, and then you click on the plus sign. This account is almost new, and if you're also creating your account newly, you will need to meet some criteria before you'll be able to post an ad. So before you'll be able to create an account, it is expected that you must have done transaction up to 5 times with 3 different people on this platform. And another thing that you must have done is that you must have verified your account, and you must be having up to at least 100 USDT in your account before you'll be able to create an ad. If you don't have 100 USDT, either you are buying or you are selling, that is when you are creating an advert, you will not be able to create an ad. So what you're going to do, like I said, is that you're going to come to this plus sign, and then you click on the plus sign. Then it's going to show you the P2P page. I want you to pay close attention to this because it's just a slight difference anyway from that of Binance. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on sell in order to create an ad. If you are buying, then you click on buy. So we are going to sell our USDT, and we are going to sell USDT. We are going to sell it for GBP. As you can see, it's already on GBP, so you leave it at that. Then what you're going to do is that this pricing method, you also leave it at fixed price. In one of my videos on Binance, I talk about this floating price. Floating price can be another way for you in which you can be able to make more money. Now, this, you're going to enter the amount you want to sell your GBP, because you are using a fixed price. You are going to enter the amount that you want to sell your GBP. Now, how do we get the amount? First of all, let us go to those who are selling GBP. Now, on this page, I want you to filter by amount, which is between 5 GBP. That is the lowest that I would like you to go. So you click on amount, then you enter 5. And let's see the rate at which they are selling anything from 5 GBP. As you can see here, that these people are selling, starting from, this is the lowest person here, selling 0.946. This person is 0.98. This person is also 0.987. And if you check for other ones, you will see 0.997. So these are very, very good rate at which you can sell and make more money. Now, after determining how much you want to sell yours, so as you can see, you see this person is using Wise to receive payment. This person is also using Wise to receive payment. And if you scroll down, you will see more people using Wise to receive payment. So it is something you can do, and you start making money as well. Now, after determining how much you want to sell, for example, we can decide to sell using this person's price, 0.981. So just take note of that amount, 0.981. Remember, we'll be buying USDT for around 729 or 730 Naira. So now let us assume that we are going to set our own price to 0.981 or 0.987. Now, let's go back to our ad, and then here we are going to change this to 0.987. And you can see this is a reference point, 0.901. So we are going to use 0.987, and then you can leave this time limit to 15. Here it will ask you to enter how many USDT you want to sell. So you input how many USDT you are ready to sell. Then here you are going to input the lowest amount you want to sell. So we can put 5, and then here you can just put something above 102 USD. So let's just put 100 or even 1000. You can put any amount here. So this is the max amount that you are selling. So I want you to pay close attention to this place. Here we are creating an advert to sell our USDT. So what you are going to do is that here for this KYC level 1 verified, you will need to mark it. Here mobile number linked, you need to mark it. Here email, you need to mark it as well. This no trade with other advertisers, you can leave it open. And here registration time, you can decide to put how many days, maybe 200 days or 300 days or whatever day you like. But I will advise you should not put less than 100 days, because for those some people who are just creating an account, they will just want to test it out and see, and then hold your coin for some time before it's being released to you. So I would like you to put nothing less than 100 days here. So I'm going to continue with it right now. So you click on this, you click on mobile linked, email linked, and then registration time, I will just put 250, or let me say 360. At least that is a year. So what we are going to do is that here you put your remark that for example, do not mark paid until you have paid. Here you have a payment method. Here you'll be able to set your payment method. Just click on manage payment method, and then you input your Wise account. And what you're going to do next is just to scroll down and add your contact information, and then you click on confirm. So it's now prompting us that have we read the terms and conditions. Then you mark that, and then you click on post now. So I'll need to verify with my authenticator right now. So our ad is being created right now. So as you can see that I have an ad active. You can see this is my ad right now. So if we go back to the ads and you search, you're going to see my adverts here popping up. So this is my ad right now. This is my ad I'm receiving to my Wise account. So that is how you create an ad. So we expect people to come around and buy from us using their Wise account, and then they send to our Wise account. Now, like I said, I'll be showing you 3 ways in which you can sell your GBP for profit. Now, the first way is transferring your GBP from Wise account. You send it to crypto.com account, because crypto.com can receive euro. So what you're going to do is that you convert your GBP to euro on Wise, and then you send your euro to crypto.com account. In one of my videos, I have showed you how you can convert your GBP to euro and then send it to crypto.com. So I will not be going over that. So that is one way in which you can sell your GBP for profit. So when your money gets to crypto.com, you use it to buy VET, in particular VET, because it is very, very cheap for you to transfer to Binance, or you buy XLM. But I prefer buying VET than any other coin. So it is fast and it's very, very cheap. So you buy VET and then you send it to Binance, and then you convert it in P2P for profit. So I'll not be going over that again. So the second process which you can sell your GBP for profit is by selling directly on Gray account or gray.co. So I'll be opening my Gray account right now. So as you can see that this is a foreign account for Africans. So you can create an account on gray.co. I will leave a link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to create an account. So after creating an account, you will need to log in into your account, which I'm going to do right now. So this is my gray account. Like I said, you can create Euro account on Gray, you can create GBP, you can create USD, you can create NGN, you can create UGX, and so on Gray accounts. After receiving your GBP into this account, you will now click on GBP account, and then you click on swap to swap your GBP. So if you want to deposit, here is where you come and click on deposit GBP. So you deposit into your account. After depositing it into your account, then you click on swap in order to swap. So let me show you, for example, if we have GBP and then we are swapping it for Naira. So here we click on select a wallet and change it to NGN. So what we are going to do, remember that we put our advert for sale around 0.98. So I will input 0.98. So as you can see, 0.98 is giving us 766 Naira 30 kobo on Wise account. But if you are using GigPay, GigPay.Africa, you'll be getting something around 776, which is like 10 Naira difference from this. You'll be getting 776 because their GBP rate is higher than that of Wise account. So you can sell it on Gray or you can sell it on GigPay. Now the third part where you can sell, or the third method you can use to sell your GBP, is using Binance. Now let us go to my Binance account and I'm going to show you the difference. Remember that we put our advert for sale around 0.987. So now we're going to go to Binance and then we're going to see what is going to give us. So in your Binance account, what you're going to do is just to go to P2P. So you make sure you change this to GBP. So I want you to take note of something, that the rate is different from what we have on Bybit. Now you click on this filter here and let's change this to just Wise because we are buying using our Wise account. So as you can see that here on Binance account, we see that the fee is starting from 0.902. Remember, we are putting our own for sale around 0.987 or 981, around 0.987. So you can see that you are going to even be buying with a difference here. So let us assume that you want to buy, let's say we want to buy around 80 pounds. Now if you are buying around 80 pounds, you can see we are buying at 0.902. And so if you calculate the difference between 0.902 and 0.987, you are still going to make around 0.085 as profit. So you will be selling your USDT around 790 Naira or 780 Naira. So you'll be making a lot of profit doing currency arbitrage. So that is how you can start making money doing currency arbitrage. If you have any question or you are stuck and you don't know how to go about it, you can reach out to me on my Telegram. I will leave a link to the to my Telegram channel in the description of this video, so you can reach out to me anytime you like and ask your question. And you can also leave your question in the comment section. I will appreciate it. So I would like to also remind you that the two-way trading strategy and arbitrage funding strategy is still available, so you can reach out to me so that you have access to this course and start making money in this bear market. So if you are able to follow the process I shared with you, with $100 you can make around 4,800 Naira or more. If you do this 10 times, that is around 40,000 Naira in a day. So you can follow the process and you start making money as well. So if you have enjoyed this video, I would like you to like, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified as soon as I drop new content. So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.